And we're back with another unboxing of the Best Bead box by Potomac Beads. This is the Treasure Edition. There are two boxes, and like I said, I got the Treasure Edition. I'm not going to talk too much. All the details for this box will be in the description box below if you want to go check it out. And also you can see the other box that is available as well. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. All right, so here is our box. It comes in this really nice box that has a magnetic open closure. I think it's a great box if you want to cover it up to store your extra beads in. You can either leave it like this, or like I said, decorate it, do some decoupage or something with it, because like I said, I really like the construction of this box because of the way it closes nicely like that and does not open. So there you go, and a tip. Also as a gift box. You never know. So anyway, let's open this guy up. This box is for the month of June. So let's see. So this month's, it looks like this month's theme is nature lover. Whether you like shells from the beach, press and preserve leaves from nature walks, or admire the stunning iridescence of a dragonfly wing. I love dragonflies. This nature lover treasure box has something for you. Very nice. On the back, it gives you a list of all the beads that are in this box. This box has a lot more beads than the previous Best Bead box. The first one, because there was the Best Bead box and then the Best Bead box XL. So this one has definitely a lot more beads. We've got, it looks like some sparkly ones here. So for our first beads, we've got these check smooth round 2mm crystal AB beads. So they almost look like little, it says 2mm, but they almost look like seed beads, but they're round. So very pretty. Then it looks like we've got some wood beads. It's a Himu wood beads, round 10mm. They're just wood beads, so no need to I don't think I need to take them out because you know what wood beads look like. It's fun because you could probably paint those as well. Ooh, look at these fun guys. They're check faceted round sea foam 8mm beads. These are pretty. They've got they're sea foam, but they've got like a metallic edge to it, and then they're clear on the other side. All right, or crystal. Then silica gel. Save this. It's good to keep your jewelry nice and shiny. Absorbs moisture. Then it looks like we've got these fun like mermaid-ish beads. They're Mayuki seed beads, sea foam lined crystal. These are 8Os. I did want to take these out so you guys can see how pretty. They have that mermaid vibe to them. Very cute. Then we've got these lovely little guys here. They are falso shells, pale turquoise. They've got like a patina on them. And we've got these metal, it looks like spacers. They're called copper nugget beads. It's a pack of 20. So these look fun. Give it antique vibes. Look at these leaves. These look fun too. They are check leaf strand, and it's a pack of 1. So 1 strand. But look at how they've got that patina on them as well. Kind of like a silver finish. I don't know. They're fun. Very fun leaves. So love that. It's almost like they've got some little mossy finish on them. We've got a button. It's a pewter metal button. Look at that. I like the little filigree work on it. Then we've got these ear wire backs. They are 3.5 by 3mm. So nice to have these. I like, even with like when I make my hook earrings, I like to use these because then they won't fall off. And these are miter shell bead. I don't know why I was going to say bat. But they're like little shells. It looks like they are crystal with like a gold patina on them. So very cool. And then these are earring backs. Pad post for earrings, 6mm stainless steel. Look at these pretty. These are labradorite pebbles. Labradorite pebble beads, 6 to 8mm. These this is my favorite stone. I have several favorites, but this is like my number 1. And if you know me, you know I always I live in a place where there's 10,000 lakes. So it reminds me always of the bottom of a lake because of the flashes you can see. So the more flashes, the better. Then we've got these gorgeous pastel green 2mm. It's an 8-inch strand of pearl beads. Wow, those are teeny tiny too. Are these 2mm? Yep, 2mm. They're the same size as these guys, which is weird because don't these look larger? That is so weird. Huh, interesting. Then we have a wood, what's this called? I just took it out and forgot. It's a wood bezel, and it yeah, it doesn't say the size, but it's a wood bezel. Very cool to make a really pretty pendant. How pretty are these? Potomac crystal bicones indicolite. Am I saying that right? Indicolite, 4mm. Look at how gorgeous these are. They're Potomac crystal bicones. How gorgeous this blue is. Definitely reminds you of the sea. That's really, really pretty. Look at how they sparkle. Isn't that cool? Love that sparkle. And we have metal dragonfly wing. So they look like angel wings to me, but yeah, I suppose. Let me show you what you can do. So you take a couple of these. You can make it 2, but I think one would look really cute. Talk about designing on the fly. Okay, so I got some from last month. From the May box, I got a couple of these fire polish. They're like multicolored, I want to say, but they got a little bit of yellow, a little bit of crystal. Because I'm going to teach you how to make, and if you watch me for a while now, you know how to make it. But otherwise, I'm going to teach you how to make your own head pin. I like to do that when I don't have head pins of the color I need, or I'm too lazy to go find a head pin, to be honest. So I'm going to cut 2 of these of 3 inches. Then, oh, and by the way, this is artistic wire, 20 gauge, and antique brass, which I think match these little wings here. We're going to grab the end here. First, you want to make sure that your end is flush, flat like that. And then you grab the very end with your round nose pliers, like that. And then you just start to make like a little spiral. Well, no, not like. You make a little spiral. I like to usually go about three turns. Where's my flats? Here we go. I like to do about 3 of these turns. Squish it down. Look, see how it looks like a little spring. I can put it in, make sure that you hold it right there and then bring it up. This is easier with craft wire because craft wire is a softer wire. Then bring it through. Then you grab it with here. And this has tool magic on it, which I like because it doesn't scrape my wire. I need to re-dip my... All right, get a good grip on it and then pull. Good thing it's away from my face. Make sure you keep it away from your face or you'll knock yourself out like I almost did. And then bring it through here. I shouldn't have had so much coffee today. Jesus. And then you can bring your little wings. Like so. And then your other one, which would be the head. Then we're just going to make a wrap loop. Where's my... I need my other pliers with the small tip. There we go. You don't need to have all the 3 million pliers. I just like, it's easier for me. When you make a lot of jewelry, it's just easier to have a whole bunch. Then we're going to go right here like that. Go over, underneath, and like a so. Then you just make your wrap loop. I'm sure you can make little birds with it too if you don't want to make an angel. I love angels. I believe in guardian angels. That's just me. It's my belief. But If you want, you can make little birds. Let's see. And there you go. You have a beautiful little angel. Isn't it? You can choose he or she. Beautiful little angel. It said dragonflies. I like I said, I like angel. These are perfect to make during Christmas time as gifts. They're really pretty. You can make, they sell the bigger, like these little wings. They sell bigger ones, so you can make keychains for gifts as well. So just an idea. Now, I know it's not time to think about Christmas, but when you make stuff, it's never too early. So there you go. That's one. I'm gonna make the other one quick. All right, you guys, there we go. And that's our little angel earrings. What do you guys think? I think they're super cute, super easy to make. You can even use a little pearl as a little head for the angel, or it can be a little butterfly dragon. I mean, it could be a little whatever, little dragon, whatever has wings. If you don't want to do an angel, or if you don't want to call it an angel, but I still think they look super cute. So you definitely could get more of these on the Potomac Beads website. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below. And stay tuned for as always, other shorts featuring their box. Thank you so much to Potomac Beads for providing this box and sending it to me and trusting me with your beautiful subscription boxes. And in the meantime, I'll leave you with May's unboxing right over here or here. I never know which side it's at, but I'm sure you can see it now. I'll see you over there. Bye.